Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rustic Orange Sea Green, and today I am going to swatch some lipsticks for you guys, like my favorite ones, right from nudes to the darkest colors that I have. So I'm going to be swatching 5 of my favorite lipsticks for you guys, so that if you wish to buy them in the future, you can definitely have a reference right in front of you. I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in a long time. I was just feeling under the weather and I sort of wanted a break, and I'm back now. I'm going to be posting a lot of more videos now. I have these 5 lipsticks today that I'm going to be swatching for you. 3 are from Calabar, 1 is from Bella Voste, and 1 is from Nykaa. We'll start with nude shades since you know my love for nude, right? So let's get started. Let's start with my favorite lipstick of all time. Like, this is the one that I've recently discovered and I am madly in love with this lipstick. Like, I've been wearing it every single day since I've got this. It's in the shade 01 Helen, and it is the most beautiful lipstick that I know of. If you see the case, it's sort of magnetic, so you know it's got that whole premium feel to it. I'm going to show you how the lipstick is. This is how it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, I am madly in love with this lipstick. So this is my first favorite lipstick of all time. Let's move on to the next lipstick that I have in nude. So I am swatching 2 nude lipsticks and 3 dark lipsticks. I know I should be doing it other way around, but you know, I just have favorite lipsticks. You know, not everybody is into nude lipsticks, so I wanted to do a video where you know you'll be able to see nude collection as well as dark collections. This lipstick that I have over here is from Calabar, and it's in the shade Crazy Boat 90, and I'm going to show you how this lipstick is. This is more of a very peachy shade, like a very light nude. So if you are on a fairer side, I am sure this lipstick will look so much better on you than it looks on me. See that? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, I really love this shade. I haven't used it in a long time. I think I'm gonna put this in my purse so that whenever I need a change, I'll probably use this shade. Another shade that I really like. I have used it in my Instagram posts as well. So this lipstick is from Calabar. It's like fuchsia color for me. It's more like a neon pink sort of a color. Swatching it for you guys. Like, such a beautiful color. In Hindi you call it Rani color, but yeah, it is actually a beautiful color. Trust me on that. And this is like the scarlet red that I have ever owned. Like, this is a very beautiful red, but it's more like the bright red, not like the blood red sort of a color. And I'm gonna swatch this for you as well. Here you go. And let me tell you guys, all of these colors, especially this Nykaa color that is in the shade 01 Helen. This Nykaa lipstick is ultra matte, but it is very creamy on the lips. It will not dry your lips out completely, especially since winter is on. Helen is the perfect choice. In fact, this ultra matte collection from Nykaa is the best, because the thing is, the lipsticks stay on for a very long time. The same with Calabar. Calabar lipsticks are also very nice. They're creamy matte. I have this chubby lipstick from Bella Voste. I love this lipstick. The color is so stunning and beautiful. The color payoff is amazing and it stays for a very long time. And once it starts fading off, it leaves a very beautiful tint on your lips. I have used all of these personally, so I can tell you how they are. Again, this will not dry your skin out completely. It's matte, but it's like the velvet matte sort of color. So let's watch. Bella Voste lipstick in Violet Edition is also so beautiful. It's got that whole glossy sort of a look to it, because it's a very velvety matte. It's ultra matte, so I think this is also something that you should consider. See, I could have done a video where I would showcase all of the favorite nudes that I have. I could do that. Actually, I could do that. I have a lot of shades that I could show off in nudes especially. But I wanted to do a video wherein, I just wanted to do something wherein I had a combination of nude lipsticks and dark lipsticks, because not everybody is fond of nude lipsticks. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, people who you want to help, especially about lipstick colors. Friends, this is Mona saying bye to you. I will see you soon with another topic.